speak of the academic writing task, task 1 or question 1, it is always about the conversion of data provided in a graph or in pie charts into words. You don't have to write too much, nothing dramatic, but convert all the data into appropriate words. There are 3 main points that you should focus when you are writing the task 1 or describing the graph. Remember to explain the question, but do not copy the exact heading. Paraphrase it, but keeping to the content. Next, have a look at what is on your X and Y axis, or as we call it, on your vertical and horizontal axis, so that you understand the question very clearly. Remember, you do not have to describe every point. You pick out the salient points where they either are similar, or they contrast, or is there a pattern that fluctuates? Look at the trends. One important feature, the task 1 does not require a conclusion because you are not coming to any idea. Therefore, what do you have? You provide the overall idea or the overview at the beginning of the task. You explain the question, you describe what the graph is asking you for, you give the data, then you give an overview which does not have the data but is the content or is what the question is all about. The body passages has the key ideas. You might want to talk about which was the highest, which was the lowest, whether there was a gradual increase or there was a rapid increase or there was a fluctuation or there is a plateau, and end up after having described the graph clearly. These points, if you practice over and over again, now you don't only get graphs, you get pie charts, you get maps, you get a flow chart. If you are able to write every day, you will definitely find it easy to write on the day of your examination.